In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate Slack channels to Microsoft Teams using a third-party tool. Because Microsoft doesn't offer a native one-click path from Slack to Teams, the most reliable approach is to use a dedicated migration tool that can map users and channels, connect to both platforms, and carry your content across in an organized way. The process starts with a bit of thoughtful pre-planning, then moves into connecting the tool, selecting what to bring over, and finally initiating the transfer. Begin by getting your user mapping in order. The goal here is to make sure every person in Slack corresponds to the right account in Microsoft 365, so messages and mentions show up with the correct authors and teams. Confirm primary email addresses, watch out for duplicate or guest accounts, and note any users who are inactive so you can decide how their historical content should be attributed. It also helps to think about where each Slack channel should land, whether that channel should become a new team and channel or be placed inside an existing team in Microsoft Teams. This upfront clarity prevents messy outcomes later. Next, open your chosen third-party tool and connect it to both Slack and Teams. You'll typically sign in with administrative permissions on each side so the tool can read Slack channel content and create or populate channels in Teams. Expect to grant permissions that allow access to messages, files, memberships, and channel structures. Most tools will show you options for exactly what to include, such as message history, threads, file attachments, and timestamps. Review those settings so you bring over what you actually need and avoid migrating clutter you've already archived. Now, select the Slack channels you want to migrate. Public channels are straightforward. Private channels may require that your account has the right membership or elevated access. Direct messages and group DMs are commonly excluded by design, so focus on channels that serve ongoing collaboration. For each selection, confirm the destination. Map a Slack channel to an existing team and channel in Microsoft Teams, or choose to create a fresh one if that's cleaner. When you're ready, initiate the transfer. The tool will process messages, files, and memberships, and then recreate the structure on the team side according to your mappings. For larger workspaces, this can take time, and you may see progress indicators or logs that show what's been completed. After the migration finishes, you'll typically see channels appear with preserved authorship, timestamps, and a close approximation of threads and reactions. Minor differences are normal, as Slack and Teams format content a bit differently. That's it. Plan your mappings, connect the tool, select your channels, and start the migration with confidence.